I'll guide you through the process of splitting bills on Google Pay, from creating new group expenses to converting your past purchases into instant payment requests. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. To begin, open the Google Pay app and tap the New Payment button. Then select New Group to add up to 20 friends for a shared expense. Tap the Split an Expense button inside your group chat to start a fresh calculation for a shared meal, trip, or bill. Enter the total amount and a clear description, like weekend Airbnb or concert tickets, so everyone knows exactly what they are paying for. Choose your split mode. Stick with the equal split for a simple division, or use the shares or percentages options if some people owe more than others. If you've already paid the full bill yourself, navigate to your transaction history, then tap that specific payment and select Split this expense to request the money back. Review the individual totals for each group member and tap Send Request to notify everyone simultaneously via their Google Pay app. To see real-time updates on who has paid, monitor the bill details page. As the creator, the funds will land directly in your primary bank account. Use the Send Reminder button for anyone who hasn't settled up after 24 hours to give them a gentle nudge without starting a new conversation. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.